Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today in my own kitchen for ABW's quick comfort food meals. So today we're going to be doing a 3-ingredient meatloaf. So we have ground beef, milk, and stovetop stuffing. We're going to add a little salt and pepper, and I'm going to add bacon today, but you don't have to. So we're going to add the ground beef. We're going to pour in the milk and the stovetop, and then we're going to give that a little mixing. Okay, so I've put the bacon on the meatloaf. I've formed the meatloaf. You don't want to over mix it, and you don't want to compress it too much. So now we're going to put it in the oven, 350 for 1 hour, and we'll take a look at it on the other side. All right, here we are. You can hear this talking to me. All right, let's get into this. Now that is some kind of good.